In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Mailchimp subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, what to click, and what to expect when you stop your paid plan. In Mailchimp, canceling your paid subscription is done by downgrading to the free plan, which turns off future billing while keeping your account accessible with limited features. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace and that you have the right permissions to manage billing. Start by heading to Mailchimp in your web browser and sign in. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is where your account controls live. Click that profile image to open the account menu. If you manage multiple brands or audiences, double check that the workspace name shown matches the account you want to change. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Billing. This takes you into the area where subscriptions, invoices, and plan settings are managed. It's normal for this page to take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of historical billing data. On the Account and Billing page, find the Billing dropdown near the top navigation. Click it to reveal your billing options. This menu groups everything related to your charges and plan details, so you can see what you're on today and what alternatives are available. Next, select Monthly Plans or Credits. This section shows your current plan, usage, and any available credits if you have them. It's also where you can make changes to your subscription. Take a moment here to note your current plan level and renewal date. If you rely on features like advanced automations, multivariate testing, or comparative reporting, remember that these are not available on the free plan. If needed, consider exporting key data or taking screenshots of complex settings so you can recreate them later if you upgrade again. Now click Change Plan. This opens the plan selection page with all tiers side by side. You'll see Premium and Standard at the higher end, along with Essentials and Free. If you're currently on Premium or Standard, this is where you'll move away from your paid tier. The interface may highlight your current plan with a badge, making it easier to spot. Scroll to the Free section and click Downgrade. This is the action that effectively cancels your paid subscription and stops future monthly charges. Mailchimp may present a confirmation screen that summarizes what will change when you move to free. Read these notes carefully. Typical impacts include reduced contact limits, sending limits, and the removal of certain automation, reporting, and support features. If you're over the free plan's contact limit, you may be prompted to clean your audience first or acknowledge that you'll need to bring your contact count within the free threshold for sending. Follow any on-screen guidance and confirm the downgrade. That's it. Once confirmed, you should see a success message and your plan will display as free. You can verify the change by returning to Account and Billing and checking that the current plan shows free and that no upcoming charge is listed for the next cycle. Any invoices already issued remain in your billing history, and you can download receipts if you need them for your records. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you use features that won't carry over to free, set a reminder to review your campaigns, automations, and templates after the downgrade. Your data is still in your account, but certain workflows may pause or become read-only. If you ever need those advanced tools again, you can come back to the same change plan area and upgrade in a few clicks. And if you don't see the options described here, try refreshing, clearing your browser cache, or checking that you're in the correct account. You've successfully learned how to cancel a Mailchimp subscription by downgrading to the free plan. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make the switch with confidence.